Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the LinkedIn Sales Navigator on your HubSpot. So let's get right into it. Now that is an integration which is available for you on HubSpot. You can very easily install it and then use all the programs that you need. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to go over into the actual plugins or add-ons tab, which you can find over here in the library, or rather here in data management. I mix these two up constantly, and you're going to want to go into integrations. This is going to take you to your integrations list. As you can see, I already have one custom private application which I've set up, but what you're going to want to do here is go into the app marketplace in the top right by clicking this button. You're going to get here, and this is the list of all the add-ons that are available, and you can sort them through categories and through other filters. But what we're going to do is we're going to search up LinkedIn. And once you do, the third one from the top is going to be the Sales Navigator add-on. Now, it does require a paid plan on HubSpot. You can start a free trial if you want to, but it does require the Sales Hub Professional plan at least, so that you'll be able to use this and to actually install it to your HubSpot. I don't have the plan, as you'll see. However, I will show you guys exactly how this is done. You just have to click on that, and once you install that integration and activate it, you'll be able to use it through this integrations tab. As I mentioned previously, just install it. You can review all the information here. You will need to give, or you will automatically give consent to share your contacts with the integration. Once you're done, just go over back into integrations to the list, click on the application, and you'll be able to use it without any complications. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.